Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting the right parts. Thicker power wires reduce voltage drop, while thinner data wires preserve signal integrity. Once done, strip and tin conductors cleanly. Make short, neat power pigtails to minimize resistance. Make sure to identify V-bus, GND, D+, and D or CC pins on the connector. You'll also mount the PD or QC controller board, now so you can route wires with minimal length and avoid loops that cause interference. Next, you program or configure the PD controller to request the correct voltage and current. This prevents overdraw and ensures fast charging. Then solder power leads to the board with reinforced joints and add parallel paths if needed to lower resistance. Make sure data pairs are length matched and routed away from power traces to maintain signal integrity. Once soldering is done, insulate each joint with heat shrink, add strain relief at both ends, and position the controller for airflow and access. Finally, you validate the cable. Check continuity and polarity first, then apply a controlled load while monitoring voltage and current to confirm stable delivery. Make sure the PD handshake negotiates the requested profile and that wires don't heat excessively. Once confirmed, seal the assembly with heat shrink or an enclosure, but leave a test point accessible for future checks. If negotiation fails, recheck CC resistor values, solder joints, and data pair impedance. A cold solder or wrong resistor is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.